Você viu essa pedra? Pedra. Pedra? No.
So this is
The place I want to buy. For us. What do you think? I just taped it. Now we have to start the negotiation process. We're a nice quote for these.
I'm gonna take care for you, okay?
What?
I'm gonna take care for you. I need to make this film. It's agreement, commercial agreement. You wanna take care of him for him? Of course. And you wanna let she take care?
If she wants to. I trust her.
Thank you.
As long as it gets handled properly.
E até esqueceu o que tá comprando.
O que você acha disso, irmão? Eu tô na dúvida ainda. O que você acha?
Aproveita.
Aproveita!
Aproveita daily.
Don't say that.
This is going to be the restaurant, that's going to be the hotel, we'll talk to the water.
Então aqui a gente tá na cachoeira do... Como é chamado? Cachoeira do Seth.
We'll be business partners.
Seth Cachoeira.
Cachoeira do... How do you say waterfall?
Cachoeira.
Casa de Cachoeira. Casa de Cachoeira.
That's the name, baby.
Yeah. Starting, opening in 2008. Casa de Cachoeira. 2008.
Woohoo! This is the before, so next move is gonna be the after. Bem legal, filho.
Mano, acho que eu tô colocando